Capture output as a T in Python. I have an executable which requires a T, a stin and stare, and want to be able to test it. I want to input stin, and capture the output of stout and stare. Here's an example script. I can run this without T, but that gets caught by .isAti and each return false. I want to capture the stout and stare and have all three return true, as a T. I can use proprietary to make a T-stin. I've tried a bunch of permutations to make stout and stare T to no avail. The output I want here is
the code below is based on JFS answers here and here, plus your idea of using 3 pseudo-terminals to distinguish stout, stare and stin. Though note there is a cryptic warning that something may go wrong, such as a possibly truncated stare on OS X. By doing so. Also note that, as of Python 3.10, the doc.sib proprietary is tested on Linux, macOS, and FreeBSD, though it is supposed to work for other POSIX platforms. Yields.
Se você gosta de based conservações